Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, student. Have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
This is Smith Hassan Mafi, your new English teacher. Great. Today I am teach you how to say goodbye. How to say goodbye. You know that it is very essential for saying spoken or English. So it use every day.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Allow me to say, please.
Why not you wait?
Thank you, sir. Could you please discuss the topic on saying hello?
Okay. This is sounds good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Now I'm saying how to say hello. Have a look in the blackboard. There are many ways to say hello. Some are hello, hi. When you meet your friend or neighbors, then we say hello or hi there. They are informal and guest or honorable person. Then you say hey or howdy.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You are most welcome. I believe you must complete your homework tonight. Okay. I hope to see you next. And please take it easy. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye.